Hey, what is something? I mean, we've been talking about a ton of things already.
Yeah.
But what's something that you have to say to current laundromat owners that can help them run their business better or improve their business?
I would say, so I have two things for that. I'd say number one, try to work on the business instead of in it as much as possible. I found that when I was doing deliveries 3 times a week, like our pickup route, 3 times a week for a while, and it was too busy. I found myself too tired to focus on anything else, like on marketing and stuff. And it was just, for the 20, like we paired contract drivers, $20 an hour, for the $20 an hour that you're saving, it's just not worth it. It's just too, it just takes up too much of your time, so as much as possible, try to work on the business instead of in the business. And the other thing is our marketing. I feel like our Google reviews campaign, that's super simple with the in-store poster where we reward customers for leaving us honest reviews. I mean, even if we do it through our card reader system, but even if you didn't have a card reader system, you could still say, hey, give us a Google review, an honest review, and we'll enter your name into a draw for, whatever, there's still ways to incentivize people to leave you reviews. And if you happen to be attended, then, use that resource, that in-store person, to make sure that people are aware of your campaign. Big one for us, again, has been using local Facebook market groups, or rather Facebook groups. Some of them are online markets, and other ones are just like sort of, local groups for the city and different happenings and stuff. So, kind of being active and posting in those. There's also, and I think for us, it's too early for me to say if I know some of our social media is driving awareness to our business. We just haven't gotten our social media to where I want it. Like we need to be posting daily, like 5 days a week. And, I'm able to do it pretty easily by just creating one piece of content and then repurposing it to the different platforms. So that'll be this quarter. One of our, rocks or goals for this quarter is going to be to get our social media on point and be consistent with that. So I think I guess that in a nutshell, this speaks to running your business like a 21st century company. Even though we're small local businesses, running it the way that people have been accustomed to interacting with businesses, as consumers, marketing, social media presence, and working, again, that goes to working on the business instead of in the business.
Yeah. Awesome advice. And, like I said, it's all those little things that add up that you're doing. That's killer. And I love the working on your business instead of in it. Now, and kind of going back to you, like there are times to work in your business, right? And especially if you're having to stand in the gap and all that stuff. So there's, I think people get shamed sometimes online. I've seen some of that happening for, working in their business, doing the cleaning, doing the driving, doing that stuff. And, my perspective on that is that, first of all, run your business how you want to run your business. If you want to work in the business, work in the business.
Yeah,
nothing
of course.
wrong with that, right?
That's right. Yeah.
Second of all, sometimes you got to do that to get to the next phase, right? You either have the money to pay somebody or you don't. You got to do it yourself if you want it done, right? And so, just to kind of destigmatize working in your business. But if you're trying to build a business and grow a business, you have to carve out time to work on your business. Right. And the more working on your business you can do, the more you can do with your business. So I think that's awesome advice.